Somewhere right now, a business just like yours is running a full marketing team, a customer support rep, a bookkeeper, and an operations assistant, all from 7 apps on a laptop for less than $30 a month total. No employees, no benefits, no 9 to 5. I've spent 6 months testing dozens of AI tools so you don't have to. These 7 are the ones that actually move the needle. I'm going to walk through all of them, what they cost, and how to add them one per week without getting overwhelmed. Let's go. A part-time social media manager costs $800 to $1,500 a month. A VA for admin, another $600. A bookkeeper, $400 to $800. We're talking $2,000 to $3,000 a month before you've answered a single customer message. These 7 tools do all of that and more for about the price of 2 dinners. And here's what makes 2026 different. These tools now talk to each other. One piece of content flows automatically through design, scheduling, and analytics. One new customer lead flows automatically into your CRM, your email, and your to-do list. It's not a pile of apps, it's a system. Tool 1 is ChatGPT, and if you take nothing else from this video, take this. Think of it as a copywriter, business strategist, and customer service scriptwriter that's always available, never in a bad mood, and gets better every time you use it. The free version handles 90% of what most businesses need. The $20 plan adds file uploads, drop in your product catalog, and ask it to write descriptions for every item. That's the upgrade that pays for itself in the first week. Tool 2. Canva. This is your design team. Thumbnails, social posts, flyers, menus, presentation decks, business cards, everything from templates you edit in minutes. But the AI upgrade is where it gets powerful. At $15 a month for Pro, it replaces a freelance designer for every routine job you need. And the free plan covers more than most owners will ever hit. If you're paying a designer for social posts and ads, Canva Pro is your first and most obvious upgrade. Tool 3. Buffer. ChatGPT writes your content, Canva designs it, and Buffer publishes it automatically on every platform at the optimal time for your audience. Batch your content on Sunday. Set the schedule. Don't touch it again for a month. This is how solo operators look, like they have a full social media team. The free plan covers 3 channels. Paid is around $6 per channel per month. For most businesses, that's under $20 for your entire social media operation. Tool 4. Notion with AI. This is where your business lives. Projects, client notes, SOPs, ideas, team coordination. The AI layer on top is the game changer. It reads everything you've saved and answers questions about it. What did we quote client X? What's pending on the Johnson project? Ask in plain English. Get an instant answer. At $10 a month, it replaces 3 different apps, Notes, Task Manager, and Internal Wiki, with one that thinks alongside you. Tool 5 is the one that turns a collection of tools into an actual system, Zapier. No code. You pick a trigger when a new lead fills out my form. Then you pick actions, add them to my CRM, send them a welcome email, text me their details. Zapier runs that sequence every single time, instantly, without anyone touching a keyboard. The free plan handles genuine workflows. This is what separates businesses using a pile of disconnected apps from businesses running an AI operation. Tool 6. Tidio. An AI chatbot installed on your website in about 20 minutes, no developer needed. It answers your most common customer questions around the clock: hours, services, pricing, booking. Studies show 78% of customers buy from the first business that responds. This makes you first, every time, even at midnight. Tool 7. CapCut. If you're making reels, shorts, TikToks, or any video content, this is your editor. Auto captions in one click, AI voiceovers, background removal, branded templates. It's how faceless creators and businesses produce professional-looking video without a studio. Completely free for everything you need to start. This is the tool that lets you compete with content teams from your laptop in your living room. Here's the system that guarantees you actually use these. One tool per week. Week 1, ChatGPT only. Use it every single day. Week 2, add Canva and Buffer. Your content machine is running. Week 3, Notion and Zapier. Your operations are organized and automated. Week 4, Tidio and CapCut. By the end of the month, you've built a complete AI business stack. Total monthly cost, when fully deployed, around $75 to $80. That's less than 1 hour of a freelancer. Every day on this channel, I break down exactly the tools and systems real businesses are using right now. The full list of all 7 tools, with links and pricing, is in the description below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow. I'm showing you how to save 10 or more hours a week with a real AI workflow you can copy immediately. See you there.